Are you constantly exhausted even after a full night of sleep? Do your legs feel weak, your hands or feet tingle, or your mind feel foggy like there's a blank space in your head? Maybe you forget names, numbers, or struggle to find words. Perhaps you feel mentally slow, unmotivated, or just off. These subtle but dangerous symptoms could be caused by a simple yet powerful deficiency, vitamin B12. This essential nutrient is critical for your brain, nerves, muscles, and overall energy. Today, I'm going to show you how to detect if your B12 levels are low, the best forms of supplementation, and a natural recipe that can help raise your B12 quickly, using ingredients you already have at home. But before we dive in, comment below. Are you experiencing constant fatigue, memory lapses, or weakness? I want to know so we can guide you better. Vitamin B12 is like the spark that ignites your body's engine. Without it, your metabolism slows, your brain loses clarity, and your nerves cannot communicate effectively. It is crucial for making red blood cells, transporting oxygen to every cell in your body, maintaining nerve health, and supporting muscle function. Millions of people, especially those over 50, live with dangerously low B12 levels, often without realizing it. The tricky part? The symptoms are silent, slow, and often mistaken for stress, aging, or even conditions like depression, fibromyalgia, or early dementia. By the time a routine lab test shows a low level, your body may already be struggling. Experts now suggest that for optimal health, your B12 levels should be above 600. Anything below that can leave you tired, foggy, and vulnerable to long-term complications. How do you know if you might be deficient? The signs are subtle at first but very telling. Chronic fatigue, unexplained weakness, tingling or numbness in your hands and feet, memory lapses, difficulty concentrating, mood swings, irritability, or even depression can all be linked to low B12. Some people experience paleness, hair loss, brittle nails, or insomnia. In the beginning, your brain might just feel slow, your thoughts delayed, and your motivation diminished. As the deficiency progresses, the nervous system suffers more severely. Coordination issues, balance problems, and persistent tingling may appear. Some people even start being medicated for depression or anxiety without realizing that simply restoring B12 could resolve the problem. Why does this happen? Many factors can contribute. Diet plays a role. Vegetarians and vegans are at higher risk because B12 is mainly found in animal-based foods. Aging also reduces your body's ability to absorb it, as the stomach produces less acid and the intrinsic factor needed to absorb B12. Certain medications like metformin, proton pump inhibitors, or antacids can block absorption. Gastrointestinal conditions like Crohn's disease, celiac disease, or a history of gastric surgery can interfere as well. Even if you eat B12-rich foods, your body might not absorb them properly. That's why supplementation, or even B12-rich recipes designed for absorption, is so important. Testing your B12 is easier than you think. Any lab can measure your levels, and you don't always need a prescription. Keep in mind, standard reference ranges are often outdated. While labs may report 200-400 as normal, modern research shows that real functional levels for optimal health are above 600, and some experts even suggest aiming for 900. Low B12 affects your brain, heart, and metabolism long before a traditional test flags it. 2 additional tests, homocysteine and methylmalonic acid, can reveal hidden deficiencies, showing how well your body is actually using B12, not just how much is circulating in your blood. Listening to your body is key. Persistent fatigue, muscle weakness, brain fog, or mood swings are red flags even if your lab results seem normal. When it comes to supplementation, not all B12 is created equal. The most bioavailable forms are methylcobalamin or mecobalamin, ideally sublingual, allowing direct absorption into the bloodstream, bypassing the digestive system. Cheaper forms, like cyanocobalamin tablets or injections, require conversion in the liver and may not be efficiently absorbed, especially in older adults or those with digestive issues. Sublingual methylcobalamin is widely regarded as the most effective option to quickly restore energy, focus, and mental clarity. Daily doses of 500 to 1,000 micrograms are generally recommended for those with deficiency, but always consult a healthcare professional to adjust according to your needs. Before relying solely on supplements, you can also support your B12 naturally. Animal-based sources like liver, sardines, eggs, and dairy are rich in B12. For those with absorption issues, certain plant-based options can complement your diet. Nutritional yeast, for example, contains active B12 and blends well into drinks or soups. Spirulina is another nutrient-dense option, offering B vitamins and supporting overall energy levels. Pairing B12 with vitamin C-rich foods like orange juice enhances absorption, while healthy fats from seeds or avocado support metabolism and cellular energy. Here's a simple, natural recipe designed to boost B12 levels effectively. You'll need 1 medium raw beetroot, 1 cup of fresh orange juice, 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, and 1 tablespoon of sunflower seeds. Blend everything for about a minute, no need to strain. Drink it on an empty stomach in the morning for 21 consecutive days. This combination supports red blood cell formation, improves oxygen transport, and helps your brain receive the energy it needs. For added benefits, add half a teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper to reduce inflammation and improve nutrient absorption. For best results, follow a full 21-day protocol. Begin your morning with the B12-rich juice. Wait 30 minutes, then eat a light breakfast high in protein and healthy fats. Eggs with avocado and olive oil work perfectly. At lunch, include a source of animal protein, lentils, beans, and dark leafy greens like spinach or kale, which contain folate, a B12 partner. Stay hydrated, limit alcohol and excessive caffeine, and enjoy a light dinner with a nutrient-rich broth, turmeric, and black pepper. Walking 30 minutes daily can further enhance circulation and brain oxygenation, accelerating the effects of this protocol. Within just a few days, you'll notice increased energy, sharper focus, and clearer thinking. Mood stabilizes as your brain produces more serotonin and dopamine. Tingling or numbness in hands and feet begins to diminish. Coordination improves, and your hair and nails regain strength and vitality. After 21 days, your body should feel revitalized, your sleep more restorative, and your energy sustained throughout the day. Listen to your body. It will signal when B12 levels are returning to optimal, and if symptoms persist, consult a medical professional to explore other underlying causes. Remember, B12 is water-soluble, so your body doesn't store it for long. Continued intake is essential, through diet, sublingual supplementation, or weekly natural recipes. Maintain healthy digestion and liver function for optimal absorption. Reduce alcohol and processed foods, which compromise gut health, and consider pairing B12 with magnesium and omega-3 to protect your nervous system and improve energy metabolism. Regular monitoring ensures your levels remain in the optimal range, supporting brain function, heart health, and cellular regeneration. If you want to reclaim your energy, focus, and vitality, start today with the 21-day B12 challenge. Drink the morning juice, follow the diet tips, and consider sublingual methylcobalamin if needed. Share your progress in the comments. I want to celebrate your results with you. Like, subscribe, and share this video with friends and family so we can spread awareness about the silent dangers of B12 deficiency. Your health is your greatest asset. Fuel your body, protect your brain, and restore your life. Don't wait. Your journey to vibrant health starts now.